If you're new to concealed carry, you should probably watch this now. Hey guys, I'm Sam, co-owner and CEO of Relax Fit Tactical. If you're new to concealed carry, you've made it to the right place. I've been concealed carrying on and off for about 25 years. I'm a painter who grew up in a military and police household. Grew up shooting as a little kid, rifles, a lot of rifles. I know my way around both a brush and a gun. I've made my living off of art, as well as just having a hobby and shooting constantly through my whole life. So I've merged everything I know into creating this new clothing brand with my wife, Jane Maskell, who is co-owner and CFO of Relax Fit Tactical. Jane has her own background in the gun community, and you could check out her story right here. Now hold on, before I give you these tips, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and fondle that bell notification to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's get into it. Here are 3 solid tips for concealed carrying using our Relax Fit Tactical clothing. 1. Choose the right garment. We live in Arizona, and I just can't do jeans and cargos. They're just way too annoying 365 days a year. So our clothing is designed with concealed carry comfort and ease in mind. Our main thing is CCW, easy. For example, our concealed carry shorts have an inner hook and loop belt system. I recommend a decent Kydex holster. Don't need to spend $70 on a holster, but for example, I prefer the clip on mine to be metal. So just as long as clip on the Kydex holster fits a 1.5 inch wide belt, which is a regular belt, you're good. This is very important. It keeps your weapon secure while we provide the comfort and flexibility. Have you already tried different types of holsters with your outfits? Let us know in the comment. Maybe some of you have better tips. I don't know. Number 2. Practice drawing your weapon. It's crucial to practice drawing your weapon from concealment. Use a mirror at home or go to the range, but first start with a mirror at home. No bullets. Get some dummy rounds. Reload, draw, reload, etc. Please do this. Practice very slow, and I mean super slow, and do that for a long time. Then speed it up. Give it about 15 minutes of doing that. And then in the last 10-15 minutes, try to go as fast as you can. You can get one of those laser bullets off Amazon for really cheap. Tape a piece of paper on the wall, and then as you start drawing, you just try to tap that piece of paper with the laser. You can get all fancy with all the gadgets and gizmos and apps trying to track everything, but for the beginning, to keep it cheap, just get a little laser dot, stick a piece of paper on the wall, and try to touch that. Number 3, understand the responsibility. Carrying a concealed weapon means you might be, or you probably are, the most dangerous person in the room. Now, this carries a heavy weight that you might not even be aware of, but it is. It's there, whether you like it or not. And that responsibility is on your shoulders. Your priority should always be to de-escalate situations. You do not, and I repeat, you do not want to draw your weapon unless you or a loved one are in immediate danger of death. And I mean, like, you have to be dying. If you pull that thing out, you're not allowed to have a gun anymore. How do you handle tense situations? Share your experiences in comments below, because there's been situations where I thought I should probably pull this out, but I didn't, and I'm so thankful I didn't, because I was able to de-escalate. Conclusion: remember, if you're new to concealed carry, don't spend a ton of money on gadgets. Get yourself the weapon, practice with it. Spend a ton of money on shooting at the range. Get comfortable with your weapon. I mean, I'm sure you've done all the research on the weapon that you're about to buy or you bought. And so just practice with it. That's all you got to do. Be comfortable with the weight. So to wrap it up, I'll leave you with a historical saying. An armed society is a polite society. If you're new to concealed carry, don't spend a ton of money on gadgets. Spend a ton of money on shooting at the range and maybe some therapy. Get comfortable with your weapon. And remember, just be nicer. Be nicer on the road too. Jeez, guys. Kitty. If you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe. Stay safe, and see you on the next, guys. Thank you so much. If you guys haven't yet, check out our Ninja Black sweats. They are amazing. CCW joggers. Pre-orders are out now. You're going to get a bunch of cool shit with it, too.